If you enjoyed my video on these biblical busy bags or Bible story pouches, then you will also probably like these LDS themed busy bags. Now this is more specifically for the LDS or Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, which is a kind of Christianity that I am a member of. So might not be for all Christians, but still some fun little things here. So the concept is you've got these little pouches, little buttons to keep it all encased to the little parts in the bags, and each side does a different thing. So this first side we just have a nice blue background, like a beautiful nice spring day maybe, and we are going to build a temple. Now temples, of course, in the LDS faith or Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, they are about families and eternity and growing closer to God and our commitments to Him, but obviously it is mentioned in the Bible as well. I mean, we had temples back then too. So this is just little decoration, little fun one to put together. And I did this all just hand stitching and little scissors. I didn't have any sort of pattern, just kind of did it basic by hand. Thought it would be a fun addition to my collection. Now you can throw in your bag for church, for example. And then on the other side, I've just got a nice little kind of background here, and then I've got missionaries. If you know the Mormon religion, basically the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, we just say Mormon because of the Book of Mormon, and it's a long title of the name to a church, Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. But we are Christians, that's the Jesus Christ part, and we do serve missions. Sorry, this isn't like I'm trying to convert you. I'm just trying to explain this for those who maybe are followers of my channel. I don't usually do very specifically religious themed things, but I thought, why not share? I really enjoyed making this, and I know there are some out there who would like to. So as missionaries, boys and girls can go out and serve missions. I served one for 1.5 years in Poland, and you wear dresses and skirts and teach about our Savior and do service and all that. So it was fun, you know, kind of the old paper doll thing like they used to do back in the day. Put away the electronics and just have some fun with a little bit of dress up. So again, no pattern, just kind of did an eyeball of it and mix and match the different hair and all that. And of course you can just use a blank person here and turn it into either a boy or a girl to be an elder or a sister, as we call them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this idea. Let me know if you are also LDS, if you think this is something you would enjoy for your kids. And I just really love these because you can do busy bags, boxes, books, and kind of these little pouches. They're just self-contained and they're just easy to throw in. You don't have to have this huge big project. You just hand stitch a couple of pieces of felt together, and then the decoration, make a couple slits for buttonholes, and sew on the buttons to contain everything. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I appreciate you joining me here on Jen's Creativity Corner. If you have not already, please do subscribe, give this a thumbs up, and I would love for you to share this video if you think that this is a fun idea. So join me next time and have a wonderful day.